Discover the manufacturing process of image scanner manufacturing technology. Image scanning technology has revolutionized the way we capture, store, and share visual information. One of the key components of image scanning technology is the image scanner itself. In this article, we will explore the process of manufacturing image scanners and the technology behind them. The manufacturing process for image scanners begins with the design phase. Engineers and designers work together to create a blueprint for the scanner, incorporating the necessary components and features to meet the desired specifications. This blueprint serves as the basis for the manufacturing process. The first step in the manufacturing process is the creation of the scanner's outer shell or housing. This is typically made from plastic or metal, and is designed to protect the internal components of the scanner. The housing is created using a process such as injection molding, which involves injecting molten plastic or metal into a mold and allowing it to cool and solidify. Next, the internal components of the scanner are assembled. These include the scanning mechanism, which typically involves a light source and a sensor, as well as the control circuitry and other electronic components. These components are carefully assembled and tested to ensure that they meet the required specifications. Once the internal components are assembled, they are integrated into the scanner's housing. This involves connecting the various components and securing them in place, as well as adding any necessary features such as buttons or displays. The final step in the manufacturing process is testing and quality control. Each scanner is rigorously tested to ensure that it meets the required specifications for image quality, resolution, and speed. Any defects or issues are identified and corrected before the scanner is packaged and shipped to customers. The technology behind image scanning is constantly evolving, with new innovations and developments being introduced on a regular basis. One of the most significant advancements in recent years has been the introduction of 3D scanning technology, which allows for the creation of detailed 3D models of real-world objects. Another area of innovation is the development of portable and handheld scanners, which allow for easy scanning of documents and other items on the go. These scanners typically use wireless or Bluetooth connectivity to transfer the scanned images to other devices, such as smartphones or tablets. In addition to manufacturing, the technology behind image scanning also involves the software and algorithms used to process and enhance scanned images. This technology enables the scanner to capture high-quality images with accurate color reproduction and minimal distortion. One key technology used in image scanning is optical character recognition (OCR) software. OCR software allows printed text to be converted into digital text that can be edited and manipulated on a computer. This technology is widely used in document scanning and archiving applications, as well as in the digitization of books and other printed materials. Another important technology used in image scanning is image processing software. Image processing software allows for the enhancement and manipulation of scanned images, including adjusting brightness and contrast, removing noise and artifacts, and improving image sharpness. This technology is critical in ensuring that scanned images are of high quality and can be used for a wide range of applications. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning in image scanning technology. These technologies enable scanners to automatically detect and correct issues such as skewing or distortion, and to improve image quality by removing noise and enhancing details. These advanced